The EDUCAS WJEC specification asks us to consider the concept of soft determinism with particular reference to the work of Thomas Hobbes and A.J. Ayer. Soft determinism is an approach coined by William James. This approach sees determinism as compatible with free will. Soft determinism is hence sometimes called compatibilism and sees the two states as being able to coexist without contradiction. The soft determinist agrees with the hard determinist that all actions and even mental states are caused. However, they also agree with the libertarian position that we are free and therefore have moral responsibility. This is because they distinguish between acting out of coercion or force and acting in accordance with our own choices. Soft determinists go as far as to claim that free will actually requires determinism to exist, for if events occurred without cause, they would be random and inexplicable. Thomas Hobbes is the first scholar mentioned on the specification as an example of a soft determinist. He was scathing about the way that both hard determinists and libertarians had attempted to define free will so that it fitted with their claims. He pointed out that incompatibilist scholars required that a free agent should somehow be able to act without any cause in order to be called free. Hard determinists argue that since this is impossible, there can be no free will. Libertarians argue that the agent is somehow an exception to the laws of cause and effect. To Hobbes, this is nonsense. The will or desire is not independent from the laws of causality. As a materialist, he believed that everything was subject to material laws. He gives the example of free speech. It's not the speech itself that's free, it's the agent doing the speaking. It means that the speaker is not constrained and can say what they like. With the term free will, the freedom does not apply to the will, it applies to the person doing the willing. It refers to a person who is unconstrained and acts according to their desires, not a person whose will is uncaused.